Good morning, everybody. This is your English class. Today we are going to study about class 9th English, chapter 1, The Fun They Had. So let's proceed. The story we shall read is set in the future. So the story is about what? Story is about the future when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. तब books और schools नहीं होंगे. ठीक है. Now the question arises, how will children study then? तो बच्चे कैसे पढ़ेंगे? So there is this diagram given below which will give us an overview of the whole chapter, what we are going to study. So these are schools of the future. They are having virtual classrooms. Means, what does this mean? Virtual classroom. There is no real classroom. Okay. There is moving e-text on the screens of their computer. The text keeps on moving here and there. There are robotic teachers. And there is no human teacher which is teaching in their class. There are students that are learning through computers. So they learn through computers. There is a robotic teacher. There are text which are moving on their computer screens, and there is also virtual classroom. So there is no real school, there is no real teacher, and they are also learning through computers, and there is also virtual classrooms. No real classroom. Okay, so this is how the schools are going to be in the future. We are going to study about the future classrooms, the future schools. Okay, let's proceed. Margie even wrote about it that night in a diary. So Margie is writing a diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157, she wrote, अब उसने अपने पेज पे एक हेडिंग डाली हुई है 17 May 2157 एंड शी ऑल्सो रॉट टुडे टॉमी फाउंड अ रियल बुक. टॉमी को एक रियल बुक मिली. सो दिस इज़ अ रियल फोकस. ओके, अ रियल बुक उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है क्योंकि दे आर नॉट यूज टू रियल बुक्स. दे स्टडी थ्रू देयर कंप्यूटर्स. ओके, दे हैव गॉट ई बुक्स. दे डोंट स्टडी थ्रू अ रियल बुक. सो दिस इज वेरी बिग फॉर देम दैट दे फाउंड अ रियल बुक. It was a very old book. How was the book? It was very old. Obviously, this is future, about 138 years after we are talking about. And today we are in 2020. So after 138 years, 140 years, how it is gonna be? So we are studying about that. So books are very old. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather. So Margie's grandfather said that when he was a little boy, जब वो एक छोटे बच्चे थे तब क्या हुआ था. So Margie's grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. तब क्या होता था, सारी stories पेपर पे प्रिंट होती थी. They turned the pages, उन्होंने पेजेस पलटने स्टार्ट किए, which were yellow and crinkly. पेजेस कैसे हो गए थे? Yellow and crinkly means that has got wrinkles. Anything that has got wrinkles is known as crinkly. सो पेजेस कैसे हो गए थे? क्रश्ड टाइप, रिंकल्स टाइप ऐसे हो गए थे और येलो भी हो गए थे. एंड इट वॉज ऑफुली फनी टू रीड वर्ड्स दैट स्टूड स्टिल. उनके लिए ये बहुत फ़नी था ऐसे वर्ड्स को पढ़ना जो बुक्स पे एक जगह छपे हुए हैं. स्टूड स्टिल मीन्स कि एक जगह रुके हुए, स्टिल मीन्स रुका हुआ. सो उनके लिए बहुत फ़नी था ऐसा कुछ पढ़ना जो एक जगह रुका हुआ है, ऐसे वर्ड्स को पढ़ना. रैदर वो किस चीज़ के यूज़ टू हैं, वो ऐसे ही चीज़ों के यूज़ टू हैं जो वर्ड्स चेंज होते रहते हैं. जैसे कि उनकी कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे द वर्ड्स कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग एज वी स्क्रॉल डाउन ना, द वर्ड्स कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग. सो दे आर यूज टू दैट. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. When we scroll on the computer screen, the words keeps on changing. As we scroll down now, the words keeps on changing. But in the case of books, the words does not change. Okay, it remains the same as they were. Now, proceeding further. What is the Tommy's expression on seeing the book? Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. It is a waste according to him. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. He is saying कि जब आप किसी बुक को पढ़ लोगे तो आपने वो पढ़ ली. So now what is Tommy's expression on this? जी said Tommy, what a waste. It is a waste according to him. वो बोल रहा है ये क्या वेस्ट है. ओके ऐसी बुक्स पढ़ना, ऐसे वर्ड्स को पढ़ना क्या वेस्ट है. When you are thorough with the book, you just throw it away. जब आप एक बुक को पढ़ लोगे, आपने पढ़ ली और आप उसको फेंक दोगे. अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम यू विल जस्ट थ्रो द बुक अवे. आई गेस वो गेस कर रहा है कि जब आप एक बुक को पढ़ लोगे तो आप उसको फेंक दोगे. Our television screen must have had 1,000,000 books on it and it's good for plenty more. So he is saying कि उसकी जो टेलीविज़न स्क्रीन है उस पर उसके पास बहुत सारी बुक्स अवेलेबल होती है, उसके पास बहुत सारी वेराइटीज़ होती हैं. रैदर हमारे पास एक बुक होती है, उनके पास वेराइटीज़ होती है. I wouldn't throw it away. So he cannot throw his computer screen somewhere. He cannot throw his computer. Okay. So he is saying I cannot throw it away. सेम विद माइन सेड मार्गी. मार्गी ने भी बोला कि मेरे साथ भी ऐसा ही है. शी वॉज 11 एंड हैडेंट सीन एज मैनी टेलीबुक्स एज टॉमी हैड. सो टॉमी इज ओल्डर देन मार्गी. सो शी इज सेइंग कि टॉमी ने उससे ज़्यादा बुक्स देखी है बिकॉज टॉमी इज़ 13. ओके. शी सेड where did you find it? So now Margie is asking where did you find it? तुम्हें ये बुक कहाँ से मिली? In my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading. टॉमी ने बोला कि मुझे ये मेरे घर पे मिली और वो बुक पढ़ने में इतना बिजी था कि उसने बस एक पॉइंट अपने घर की तरफ पॉइंट कर दिया कि मुझे अपने घर में मिली. In the attic. So what is attic? Attic is a space just below the roof used as a storeroom. So he found this book in his storeroom. Okay. Now Margie is asking about the book. What is it about? Tommy replies, school. Margie was scornful. So Margie is what? Scornful. What is scornful? Scornful is showing you think something is worthless. जिसका कोई वर्थ ही ना हो, जिसका worthless means कि जिसका वजूद ही ना हो. So मार्गी के लिए ये चीज़ मायने ही नहीं रखती. School. She is very shocked and she is saying school. What's there to write about school? उसके वो बोलती है कि what is there to write about school? I hate school. वो स्कूल से नफरत करती है. She hates school. Margie always hated school but now she hated it more than ever. Margie has always hated school and now she hates it more than ever. वो बोल रही है कि मैं हमेशा से स्कूल से नफरत करती हूँ but now अब मैं स्कूल से और ज़्यादा नफरत करने लगी हूँ. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography. So mechanical teacher is her robot. Okay. Had been giving her test. वो टेस्ट दे रहा है उसको आफ्टर टेस्ट इन जोग्राफी. टेस्ट के बाद टेस्ट पे टेस्ट दिए जा रहा है जोग्राफी में. एंड शी हैड बीन डूइंग वर्स. वो उसमें अच्छा नहीं स्कोर कर पा रही है. Until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So her mother thought something is wrong. So she sent the mechanical teacher to the county inspector. Okay. About the county inspector. He was a round little man with a red face. वो क्या था? He was a round little man with a red face. उसका face कैसा था? Red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. उसके पास क्या क्या था? उसके पास tools थे, उसके पास dials थे, उसके पास wires थे. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. So he smiled at Margie. उसने मार्गी की तरफ smile किया और उसको एक apple दिया. Then took the teacher apart. और टीचर को, मैकेनिकल टीचर को दूर ले गया. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. Margie was thinking, she was hoping कि काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर को नहीं पता होगा कि हाँ इसको दोबारा ठीक कैसे करते हैं. ओके. बट ही न्यू हाउ ऑल राइट. ओके. उसको सब पता था. And after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly. So एक घंटे बाद काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर ने उसको वो ठीक करके दे दिया. ओके. The description is also given, large and black and ugly. So the computer, the robot was large and black and ugly. Okay. With a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. It had a very big screen on which the questions were displayed and also were asked. Okay. That wasn't so bad. So Margie said that wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and the test papers. So मार्गी को सबसे ज़्यादा जो बुरा लगता था उसके मैकेनिकल टीचर में एक स्लॉट था, मीन्स गिवन स्पेस, टाइम और पोजीशन, मीन्स एक स्पेस था जिसमें उसको अपने क्वेश्चन पेपर्स, उसको अपने आंसर शीट और उसको अपने होमवर्क को सबमिट करना होता था. शी हेटेड दैट. ओके, शी ऑलवेज हैड टू राइट देम अबाउट ऑन अ पंच कोड दे मेड was 6 years old. Okay, she is telling कि उसको हमेशा वो she always had to write them out. उसको हमेशा वो लिखने पड़ते थे in a punch code, एक punch code की तरह से. They made her learn when she was 6 year old. जब वो 6 year old थी तब से वो उनको ऐसे ही याद कर रही है. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. So it is a robot and it is going to calculate in no time, obviously. Okay. So she hated this part. Okay. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. So the county inspector ने smile किया after he was finished, जब उसने उसको ठीक कर दिया, and patted Margie's head. जैसे एक शाबाशी देते हैं. So he patted in that way. He said to her mother, उसने उसकी मम्मी को बोला, मार्गी की मम्मी को बोला, it's not the little girl's fault. So he said, it's not Margie's fault, Mrs. Jonas. I think so he is saying, I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. वो बोल रहा है कि geography sector में कुछ खराबी आ गई थी. Those things happen sometimes. वो बोल रहा है कि ऐसा होता रहता है. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. उसने वो ठीक कर दिया है. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. So now he is talking about Margie and is also praising her. He is saying that her progress is quite satisfactory. And he patted Margie's head again. उसने मार्गी को दोबारा से शाबाशी दी. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. We will continue with this chapter in the next video. Do watch it.